Good day, students. In today's class, we will learn about the topic democracy in civics. Now we will see what is the meaning of democracy. So, Abraham Lincoln has given us the definition for democracy. Who is Abraham Lincoln? Abraham Lincoln is the 16th President of the United States. He says that democracy is government of the people, by the people and for the people. What does Abraham Lincoln say? Government of the people, by the people and for the people is the meaning of democracy. Where did the word democracy come from? The birthplace of democracy is Greece. So democracy is derived from the Greek words demos and kratia. What is the meaning of demos? Demos means people and kratia means power or rule. So in short, democracy means the power of the people. Democracy is classified into two types. What are the two types? Direct democracy and representative democracy. The country which has direct democracy is Switzerland. So in Switzerland, the people will not vote for a representative. They will not vote for one person, but the people will be in charge for formulating the laws and rules of the country. Okay, so direct democracy means the people will not vote for a person, but they will formulate the laws and rules themselves. Next, we will see about representative democracy. In what all countries there is representative democracy? India, USA and England. So in representative democracy, the people will vote for one person. Okay, so that elected representative, they will be in charge for formulating the laws and rules of the country. Representative democracy is divided into two types. One is parliamentary democracy and presidential democracy. Parliamentary democracy takes place in India and England, and presidential democracy takes place in USA and Canada. When is the International Day of Democracy celebrated? So, on 15th September of every year, we celebrate the International Day of Democracy. This is set by UNO General Assembly in the year 2007. Now we will see about the aims of democracy. As we saw before, Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as government of the people, for the people and by the people. So, in a democracy, the power is in the hands of the people. For having that power, the people should have certain rights to take the decisions. So, when a person becomes 18 years old, he has the voting rights and he can elect the representatives. What is the responsibility of the representative? The responsibility is to protect the welfare of the people. Now we will see another fact. It says that the world statistical data on democracy declares that 79% of the Indian citizens have faith in their democratic system. So when they have taken the statistics on democracy in the world level, they have found out that 79% of the Indians, they have faith in their democratic system. That is why India ranks first in all the democratic countries of the world. So in India, we have representative democratic system. So Indians, we believe that the person that we elect will protect the welfare of the people and make the right rules and regulations for the country. So that is about democracy. So let's do a small recap of what we have seen from the beginning. Okay, so first we saw the definition of democracy given by Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of USA. What did he say? He says that democracy is government of the people, by the people and for the people. Next we saw where the word democracy came from. It came from Greece. It is derived from two Greek words called as demos and kratia. Then we saw democracy is divided into two types, direct democracy and representative democracy. The country which has direct democracy is Switzerland, and representative democracy we have in India, USA and England. In direct democracy, the people will only form the rules and regulations. They will not elect a person. But in representative democracy, the people we will elect a representative and they will form the laws and rules of the country. Then under representative democracy, it is divided into two types, parliamentary democracy and presidential democracy. Parliamentary democracy are in countries like India and England. Presidential democracy takes place in countries like USA and Canada. Then we studied the International Day of Democracy. Then we saw the day which International Democracy Day is celebrated, that is the 15th September, and it was given by the UNO General Assembly in the year 2007. Next we saw about the aims of democracy. Democracy means the power that is in the hands of the people. For that the people should have a few rights to take the decisions. Everyone cannot make the decisions. For that every person in the country, when they become 18 years old, they have the right to vote in the elections and they can elect a representative. And this representative will take appropriate decisions, correct decisions, and he is responsible for the protection of the welfare of the people in the state or country. Next, we saw that the world statistical data of democracy says that 79% of Indians have faith in their democratic system, which is the representative democracy, and India ranks first in all the democratic countries of the world.